one of those days. Hey, you watching Blue Bike and Doyle as of now. We on Lucille. One I could get out. We flip the corn. Flip the corn ride. Run that intro and dive into it. No legends. Got my yard cleaned up. Yep. Made the first cut of the year. Because I didn't do much cutting last year for, didn't roll my leaves up. I just let them go as they went, I didn't feel like, well, that lawnmower went down, but I got the lawnmower fixed. That's enough about me. I want to talk about you. You. We'll talk about you. I came up with a title. Now I got to make the motor blog to fix it. To fit it. So, flip corn. I flipped the corn and know which direction we was going, and I flipped the corn to see which motorcycle I was taking. Not true, but I flipped the corn to see which restaurant we're going to eat, and then I flipped the corn to see which direction. And I said that once. Well, there's two different ways to get there, and I'm going to take the long. I'm going to take a different way. I flipped the corn for that. So is that how you do your rides? You got a mind of your own sometimes. How your mama them doing? I hope you got a mind of your own, and not listen to other people's opinion and draw your opinion off their opinion, Opinions like buttholes. Everybody got one. Some people are one. I is one. I'm an asshole. I've been told that before. Told I was number one, and and all them good words and all like that. Is what it is. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, it is 70 degrees. March 9th on a Monday evening. It is 12:14. Oops, it's not 12:14. How many of y'all forgot to set your clocks up an hour? Or even discussed it? I didn't hear no clip because I probably didn't stop. Truck's coming. Is he gonna turn here or up the next driveway? Never trust their blinker. Mistress don't pull over. Wheels off the ground like Lucille does. I pop the wheelie in every gear. In my mind. I make my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Hey, your money on your mind, your money on your mind. I got my money on my mind. I know my money and my... Everybody's cutting grass. That time of year, where grass blowing on the road season, which is not dangerous. I've been told that before. I just think it looks nasty. No disrespectful to her. I don't care. I've been told, and I don't care, because I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm a destination person. I like to know where I'm going before I leave. So we ain't been, it used to be Old Charlie's. Old Charlie was a pretty good place, He was a pretty good old guy, Do you know Old Charlie? Old Charlie. Old Charlie was a restaurant. I believe they closed all the Old Charlies then. I think Old Charlie's went out of business. Yep. Oh, hill shift. This mistress has got a hill shifter. I'm probably watching on them install videos I got going on. Like Betty. And, but it's 70 degrees. Oh, I know what I was thinking. I remember something. one I'm gonna do is it's daylight saving time, and I forgot about it because nobody talked about it all day. I wouldn't go nowhere Saturday. That's where I cut my grass Saturday. Cleaned up the yard Saturday. Got a piece of hair in my mouth. Dead cat. Don't do that. Don't beatbox. Daylight saving time. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Daylight saving time was Sunday. Lucky all our clocks. I didn't have to get up early Sunday, so they what the, is that a squirrel? Squirrel! He was sneaking across the road. He looked like a, well, he is a rat with a furry tail. See, I have ADHD and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, because I can't focus on nothing. The squirrel distracted me, and this and that piece of hair in my lips. Take it. Daylight savings time, yes sir. But I didn't have to get up early, so I didn't. And all our clocks, everything sets automatically, which we don't have any clocks really other than ones on the stove and the microwave, and they always blinking 12. But yeah, I didn't realize that till I got to work, because I didn't have to leave out early. I just go to Chattanooga, and I just left out after lunch because I figured, hell, it's a 2-hour drive up there, and I can sleep in the truck and want to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. So that's what I did. And I noticed, I said, oh, you know what? So when I turned the E-log on, it had a skip place between 2 and 3. And I'm like, did they just set that? I had to Google it when the time, daylight savings time started. And it started March 8th. So therefore, I just wonder if anybody was late still rely on that. Or did y'all all set your clocks up an hour? Because I tell you, I don't read the, I don't have news. I just listen, I stream my videos and stuff from Prime TV and Hulu and Netflix. Boy, gas prices have shot up. Boy, this is going to be a long video. I came back for a reason, and I don't know what the reason was. Hey, look, a spider. Spider Rider, man. How you doing, Spider Rider? It's a old Spider Rider. I don't know who that is. If he's a turn right here in front of you, you'll see the Spider Rider. How you doing, Spider Rider? How you doing, old man? Old man? What if he was a police officer or sheriff or something? Well, I had one of them shirts on. I don't know who he was. He gave me a thumbs up. I smell smoke. It's like burning something. Can't do that on Black Betty. Right on red. Hey, still, it's that red light. That red light's still holding them. So we headed to Carrollton, Georgia. We are the rebels. That's Harrison County school system, all the rebels. So I can't remember what I was going to say about, but still got that piece of fur in my mouth from the dead cat. So we'll see you on down the road. Remember something? Oh yeah, I did that. Yep. We down here in Carrollton. Carrollton. There's the Greenway. I mean, is your phone that important that you gotta look at it every time a red light? This lady in front of us with that dang van up there ain't gonna turn his blinker on. It's gonna cut on over there. There's a cone in the road. ADHD. But she's on the phone and cars done started moving, you know, 4 or 5 cars on front lanes and before she started moving. Freight, hobo freight, harbor freight, influencer, car wreck. Buffalo Wild Wings is where we're going, but it used to be Old Charlie's and they remodeled it and made it a Buffalo Wild Wings. I don't usually go to like a chain place like that, but that's more of a set down chain restaurant, not fast food, but I guess it can be considered as fast food. But anyway, we going there because why not? Ain't been there, new place. I was gonna do Shuckums fish seafood, or I said Shuckums or Buffalo Wild Wings, and heads or tails, and heads won, so we're going to Buffalo Wild Wings. Buddy, you can go, you can turn right on red. I don't know, maybe that's probably when this car had a wreck. They turned right, didn't yield to the oncoming traffic. Because you ain't got to, really, but dang you do, because these people sitting in the middle of the road. We got to make some moves. That's what TD 205 says when he was cutting in and out of traffic sometimes. Got to make them moves. And Burrow's point want us to filter. See, we could filtering and lane splitting is 2 different things. Filtering is when you I'm allergic to something. Lumber probably. Hey people, it's green light. You mean you can go? Don't sit there and look on your phone. Now we can't get in front of the big truck because y'all want to go so slow. Could have stayed where we was at. But Burrow's point made a point that we should have lane filtering. But there's a difference between lane filtering and lane splitting. Splitting when you're on the interstate, you can, if the traffic's real backed up or whatever. Popeye's fried chicken. You could go to the Donkey. It ain't the Lazy Donkey, but it's the Donkey. Hey, up there. 2 locations. One's the Lazy Donkey and one's the regular Donkey. But we're going to Buffalo Wild Wings here. Right here. Lunch hour rush is probably over with, so we don't have to wait. We go to IHOP and there's a Ruby Tuesdays. Fancy like Applebee's, but I heard Applebee's going out of business too. Anyway, we right here. We're gonna park in the front and we'll be right back. So, guess I could talk. I turned you on. That's pretty good. I had the new sweet chili sauce or something like that. I forget, they call it something else. Sweet. Anyway, it was pretty good. Onion rings and some mozzarella sticks and pretty good meal. Oh, it's pricey. $3.50 for a sweet tea. Like, come on. Come on now. Everybody's on their phone. All these college kids is on their phone. Look at them, on their phone. On the phone. That must be the training football field. You gonna stop? Go. Walk faster, college kid. What you going to school for? Underwater basket weaving? It's a breeding ground for liberals. Murphy Building. That was a Murphy Building. campus center. Why ain't y'all on y'all's phone? All the other kids was. I don't get you call them kids right there. Left lane must turn left, must use full lane. Cyclists must use full lane. What we stopping here? You can go if you wasn't on your phone. And wait till we start moving and she'll want to walk across in front of us. And of course it's on that phone. What you going to school for? You got 2 seconds. You gonna make it in 2 seconds? Walk faster. Well, today, Junior, I don't guess this light's ever gonna change. I'm gonna call it and end this video right about here. Go check out that video there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you down the road. There's a football field.